What's up everybody, and welcome back to Marty Motoring. Today we're doing another mod on the Camaro. So this isn't a huge mod, and I'm here in a parking lot just with the car, so I'll show it to you in a second. And it's something that really needed to be done. Last video we did wheels, and that really changed up the look. We changed the badges, so if you didn't see that one, go check it out. This setup definitely matches the car better. So it's not a huge mod, but I at least wanted to document it on the channel, since that was what I set out to do with this car, is document everything I do to it. So here's the mod. It's not the wheels, we did that last time. It's the tint. We got 35% tint on the car, and it's looking awesome. Didn't want to go too dark because I don't really want to be pulled over and have to rip it off. 35% is the legal limit here in PA. I believe it's 35. So they'll put a tester on it, and if it's below 35, you have to rip it off. Hopefully that doesn't happen. It's not like super dark. You can still see in the car. I really like how it looks. Really darkens up the car. Kind of makes it look more sleek. Unfortunately, it's illegal to tint your windshield here in Pennsylvania, so I didn't do that. I was thinking of doing a sun strip down to the AS1 line, which is legal. There was extra cost involved for them to do it, so what I am thinking of doing is just getting some tint and doing it myself on the outside. I've done that before on my Lexus IS350, and it actually turned out pretty good, so I might try it, and I can always rip it off if it looks stupid. You can still see through it just fine, if anybody's wondering how dark it actually is. Like, that's the difference. And of course it's a little different on camera than in person, but really it's not bad. Like, you can see through everything. But that should keep the car a little bit cooler in the summer, just kind of save my eyes on sunny days, and also make the car look really sleek. So far I'm loving these wheels. Definitely need to get TPMS sensors though, as they are not programmed for this car. I don't think they're actually in these wheels, so I'm gonna transfer them from my old wheels and get this all set. Trying to do one mod at a time. Tint was definitely needed, but I think next we're gonna do probably like a front splitter, so maybe some side skirts, maybe lower it. Drop in the comments what you'd like to see next as the Camaro build continues. I'm trying to take it one step at a time and not go too fast and just kind of spread it out over time. So that's why I'm not, like, you know, doing a cam right away. I would like to do headers in the future, and that requires a tune and everything, so we will see. I was never one for an all blacked out look. Like, I never did black wheels because I did gunmetal, like on my Lexus IS350. I really like that look, but I'm really digging the gloss black wheels. It's like the same paint color as the car, plus with that red line in the tire, breaks it up. I would also like to paint the calipers, but I'm not really sure what color to go with yet. The gold and red are factory colors. Red would match the car, but looks really kind of generic. I think red with a nice white Brembo could also work. I'm just kind of thinking it over, and like I said, doing one mod at a time. We do have an official sponsor for lighting that will be coming soon, and I'll be announcing that and doing some videos and pictures, and I'm really excited because it's a well-known company and they do great work, and I can't wait to install their products on my car. I also ordered the same badges that I put on the side, the red and black for the back and the front, just so we can match everything up. I would really like to keep the look uniform, so with that upcoming lighting sponsor, we'll be able to change the taillight bulbs, these to LED, I believe the marker lights. They're sending me some stuff for the 4Runner, and they're sending me some stuff for up here, so stay tuned on that. The tint just looks so good. If you're wondering where I got my tint done and you're in this area, I got it done at Accent Tint and Graphics in Northern York, Pennsylvania. They're kind of like the top tier tint place in this area, and it wasn't cheap, but they did a great job. There's no bubbles, and I accidentally rolled down the window the first day, and it didn't peel or anything. They definitely did a good job on the edges. They did everything good back here, and I don't see any imperfections in the back window yet or the little side windows. So of course it does take like 30 days to heal, they said, like completely adhere, but I think with the sun we've been having, that's sped up the process. So far so good. Let's head back to my house and I can show you the progress on my garage. Now it's a mess, but it's coming along, and I'd like to show you where the Camaro will soon live, and hopefully I'll be able to shoot some videos from there. All right, and we're in the garage. It's messy. I started moving stuff because I painted this wall today. You can see it's just a leftover gray that I had, and I started hanging some things up. We got my detail cart, we got my toolbox, and we can fit a shelf. I hung this LED light up from Sam's Club, and the bikes, there was a pre-existing hook, so I just hung the bikes there. We do have a little Toyota flag I decided to hang up, but we might relocate that and also get a Camaro one so that we can represent both vehicles. It's just a nice wall covering, so it's not just a bare wall. We got some fans, started to get some bins and shelving so that we can organize everything. Got my car cleaners and everything like that. It's a little bit of a mess, but we're getting there. We're starting to organize it. I did bring over the mini bike not too long ago. Something's wrong with the throttle, I gotta fix it, but other than that, it runs great. And then we have the carrier for the mini bike, so I can hook it on to the trailer hitch of the 4Runner and carry this around and just strap it down. We did just pick up a Pittsburgh 3-ton heavy-duty jack for the 4Runner so I can lift it and do wheel spacers. It's another mod I'll be doing soon. We also got one of the creepers from Harbor Freight. It's upside down right now, so we can go under the 4Runner for oil changes and things like that. It'll make it a whole lot easier. And we have some parts and everything we still gotta organize. So now that the paint is dry, that will be next in the garage. Now it's only one car, but I'm really trying to use this space efficiently. There's a lot of stuff to get rid of and move still. Just like we got some trash, but once we do that and we get the bins all on there and everything organized, should look really good. I was actually thinking of putting a hanging like chest there so we can put some more stuff, and that will really efficiently use that space. Maybe even up here, we'll see. I'm really happy with the progress. I mean, it was just a very dark and bare garage before, and now it's this, so it's definitely coming along. And now we brought it to the kitchen. I shared an update probably about a month ago, and the kitchen wasn't done, but now it is. We're sitting here, it's a great spot to hang out. I got an upper deck and a lower deck. It's pretty fun to hang out at night. It looks pretty cool. So the house is coming along and the Camaro is progressing. Pretty excited about all of that. So that's about all I have to share with you right now. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to Marty Motoring, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon and follow along with the channel. Follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring. And as always, keep those wheels turning.